All right, guys, LP with S&W Service and Repair, and today I just want you guys to know that you need to design your business to fit your life. And I say that because every Saturday morning I get up and get a haircut. This Saturday morning I put my son in that time slot because I didn't think ahead of time to get him an appointment right after mine, and they were booked up, so I didn't want to drive back and forth. But anyway, I like to get a haircut every Saturday, and I like my son to be able to get up with me when he's going regularly. It's summertime, so he hadn't been. But anyway, he has a lot longer hair than I do. But it's a great feeling to be able to get up with no pressure, get a haircut, do whatever I need to do with my son, and not have to worry about, is somebody requiring me to run a service call right then? Do I have to be at somebody's house at 8 or 9 a.m.? And that's a wonderful, wonderful feeling to not have that pressure on your back. And a lot of times we take for granted the stress factor in our life, and when it's not there, how good you feel versus when it is there, how it can negatively impact your mood and how you feel and the anxiety that you might have. So I would really just tell you to take a second to think about it and to figure out how you can design your life so that you don't have to have all the stress bombarding you as you go about running service calls or starting the business that you want to start, guys. Because it is a wonderful feeling to not have all the pressure and the anxiety of having someone to tell you need to run a service call right then, or you need to be at the house at 8 a.m. when you have other things that you could be doing or have other priorities that you feel are greater or more important than running a service call at that time of the morning. All right, guys, about to gas up. Just wanted to come drop that, how I was feeling this morning, and the wonderful feeling it is to have the freedom and flexibility to run my business the way that I want to, guys. Again, this is LP S&W Service and Repair. If you need any help, please comment below. If you need any videos made about any topics or struggles you may be going through, you can always put those down in the comment section or email at ks@swserviceandrepair.com, and we will try to provide you with the resources that you need.